हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ कुछ डिस्कशन करना चाहता हूँ। मुझसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे, कुछ मैसेजेस आए, कुछ लोगों ने मेरे को एडवाइस भी किया, तो मैं उसी के रिगार्डिंग आप लोगों से, बिकॉज यू आर कनेक्टेड विद मी, तो आप लोगों से मैं कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ और आई होप दैट यू विल गिव मी फीडबैक ऑल्सो। सो मैं बता दूं कि वाई आई जेन्युइनली वांट टू टॉक टू यू टुडे। Guys, before uploading any further content through my videos or my channel, I want to discuss something which is very important to me and you as well, and I want some more clarification from your side also. ठीक है, आप भी मुझको बताओगे कि क्या ये सही है या गलत है। तो as you all know that I upload a YouTube video on every single day, almost every single day. And in this conversation, I wanna give you my reason why I am doing this. There are some important reasons behind this activity because I upload a single video on daily basis. So I tell you why. There are many people, many of you who are seeking YouTubers and hungry for knowledge and good content and a good piece of information from YouTube. So today I want to clear some common doubts that has always been asked. So let's start this discussion, guys. The first question, the very first question, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन मुझसे क्या पूछा गया? The very first question was asked to me that why do I upload video every single day? So for all those who asked this question to me, my first and basic, most basic answer would be why not? Why I should not upload? If I'm looking that YouTube is a kind of source, guys, which can connect me across the nation, across the world. And at the same time, if people would start liking me, then it would give revenue as well. So you tell me, friends, there is this belief that some people said to me or giving me an advice that they think if I upload too many videos in a month, then you are going to bore your subscribers. They said to me, you are going to bore your subscribers. They will run away from me, and they said that never return to my channel again because daily videos. Is that true, guys? They would become sick and tired of me. My subscribers would become sick and tired of me. Is that right? So on that perspective, तो उनकी इस बात पे मैं आपको सीधे बता देना चाहता हूँ, guys, कि so let me very clear here. And want to ask to you as well that it works that way or not. Please give some feedback from your side also, guys. What I personally think that subscribers would run away only when you waste their time. जब हम उनका वक्त बर्बाद करते हैं ना, without any good content or good piece of information, then subscribers usually run away from us. तब वो हमसे अमूमन भाग जाते हैं, unsubscribe कर देते हैं या नहीं देखते. But believe me, when you provide some sensible content that makes sense to them little bit, then she never gonna leave you. अगर उनके एरिया का कुछ होगा, उनको अच्छा लगेगा, they will never gonna leave you, guys. Believe me. If your content has some good information or it provides some edge to them, if you are good at your point, that it will never happen to you. Your connected people would never run away from you, I guarantee you. बट एक कड़वी सच्चाई भी है और वो भी मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ दोस्तों. मेरे अनुसार, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, some people are going to go away, and I tell you how. कुछ लोगों को तो जाना है और मैं बता देता हूँ आपको क्यों. Because if there is a certain percentage which does not want to see you every day, those who are going to get bored with you or your content, either they find monotony in your content or they are not interested in studies at all. So guys, always there would be some small percentage of that kind. So there is nothing wrong with that, not bad as being one of them also, not bad. That is not a bad thing. If somebody is not does not like to see you, so that there is nothing wrong in it. Yes, I completely respect their individuality. I completely respect their choice. If they don't want to see, yes, they are free to unsubscribe, and they are free to leave. Look friends, see, मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ आप देखो कि guys please don't take me wrong here. My intent is not bad, seriously, and I am not sounding arrogant. I am just want to make you clear that what going on, what people think like that. The people who are going to go away or leave your channel, it would happen every time. It would happen every time when you upload a new video. But still there are some people who are joining your channel every day just after your upload. The percentage of joiners will always be more than the people who leaves your channel. हमेशा ध्यान रखना, जो छोड़ के जाते हैं और जो डेली बेसिस पे आपके अपलोड के बाद जो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, उनकी संख्या हमेशा ज़्यादा रहती है. सो एज आई टीच मैथमेटिक्स, आई कैन टेल यू दैट इट वुड ऑलवेज बी अ पॉजिटिव फॉर यू. So I do not scared of that, guys. I do not scared of that anymore. Even I do that when I feel that this content is not good for me, and then I do unsubscribe also. So be happy always. Why what is the mean to criticize? Okay, so there would always be some people on your channel that they feel happy while looking at you. What are you doing by creating a lot of content is, you are adding a product to your shop. Your YouTube channel is like your shop, and these videos are your product. So you are adding a product to your shop on daily basis, and I don't think it is bad. And if somebody would like it, if she will like it, she will purchase. If not, then leave. So what was the point here? I see so many channels with 500,000 subscriber, or million or 2 million or more than that, and they upload one video in 15 days. Seriously, I tell you that it does not really make sense to me. Look, this is their business, and they upload a video in 15 days or sometimes in a month. Oh my god. See guys, I tell you, it is obviously understood that we do not have that much, that kind of channels, that much big channels which require 2 weeks or 3 weeks of production. We are not entertainers. We are just mere a knowledge distributor or teachers. So never compare ourselves with actors or singers, guys. Okay, we do not entertain. एक बात और, when we upload videos on daily basis, we try new things daily. We learn new things, because study is a matter of daily basis. So you can, if you are a student, you will like that daily study. You cannot do that, yes, I will study after 15 days now. No, I am well aware of that. It is very often that some videos do not do very well as per the expectations. So it's cool, it's all cool if videos are not doing well. So that should not gonna demotivate or affect us too much. So in the last, guys, I would like to say that we should not be bothered by that things, and we should always take care of that kind of stuff also. तो गाइज एक बात तो हमेशा ध्यान ही रखनी चाहिए. देखो, अच्छा एक बात का ध्यान रखो, किसी ने चंद्रकांता देखा है? सीरियल, हिंदी सीरियल है. तो क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स वी फॉल इन लव विद द कैरेक्टर्स ओनली. तो कुछ वक्त बाद वो क्या बना रहे हैं, कैसे एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, कुछ भी नहीं. बस लोग उनसे प्यार करते हैं, उनको पसंद करते हैं, बस उनको देखना अच्छा लगता है, तो उनको इसीलिए देखने आ जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द सोल रीज़न. व्हाट आई फील इज़ दैट द पीपल हु आर कनेक्टेड विद मी ऑन दैट चैनल, सम ऑफ देम आर डेफिनेटली वन हु फील हैप्पी just by looking at me. So if people are happy by just looking at me, then why should not I upload videos on daily basis? That's why I do. Be happy, guys. Thanks for watching.